Hello everyone, welcome. If you're new to the channel, this is my 2002 Mazda Miata, and I've been working on it for the last few months, installing a new engine, putting together everything, putting the head on, the exhaust manifolds, the oil pan, doing the complete assembly, dropping it in, months and months and months of work, diagnosing problems, fixing a couple leaks here or there. All of this to only be undone by taking it for a drive and getting hit. So you see, what had happened was, I was driving and I made this right turn. This lady went like this, right? And I made a right turn, made it over to my left, to the middle lane, made it over to the left lane, and I started accelerating to merge with traffic, and I was passing her. While I was passing her, she starts merging over, and at this point, I'm trying to pass her, so I don't really have space to react. She merged extremely close to me. So it's kind of like this, right? We're moving like this, boom. So we touch corner to corner and completely screws up my passenger side front corner. So the damage it's repairable, but it's fairly extensive. Obviously you don't see some of the body panels. I've already removed these. So the hood, fender, headlight, and bumper were all affected, including the radiator support, which has been pushed back a significant distance, and effectively this kind of totals my car. I understand that I might be able to fix it. I'm going to work with the insurance company to make sure that it doesn't get totaled. Realistically, the damage is not that severe. It's just that, you know, with the way insurance companies operate, they want things done a certain way. So I'm not really sure what's going to happen with the car. I'm definitely going to try to repair the damage. I'm hoping it doesn't get totaled. I'm going to work with the insurance company to make sure of that, because realistically, yes, the damage does appear to be severe, but you know, if once you start actually peeling away what needs to be done, it's actually not that bad. The most severe part is probably replacing this portion of the radiator support, which really just involves drilling out some spot welds, getting a section from another car, which is not difficult to obtain, and then welding in a new section, which, if you know how to do it, or if you have friends that know how to do it, you know, somewhere out there, it's not that difficult. And everything else, the fender, the hood, the bumper, these parts can just slide right on. You just put new parts on. So I'm working with their insurance company to see, you know, what can we do here, what's going on, here's the story, and they're going to share their story. So we're going to see, you know, what can we do to ensure that my car gets repaired in a timely and efficient manner, because I just spent literal months working on this car. As a matter of fact, in some cases, I was working on the car as late as 4 in the morning. The car is in very good shape. The frame rails and the chassis is all very straight. There's no damage to the bumper. There's no damage to any structural component. The engine, the motor, transmission, the entire drivetrain, the suspension was completely untouched. It was just primarily cosmetic body panels. The headlight, the radiator support that's here isn't structural. This is just a this is just here. It's just hanging out. It's just holding up. The only job this piece of the radiator support has is to hold up a corner of the hood and to hold up the headlight. Anyway, kind of a small update here, so thank you guys for watching. I really, really appreciate you guys watching these videos. As these videos get more popular, I think we're going to see, you know, more sales coming in on the website, people checking out finishlinefactory.com. We sell, you know, fittings, hoses. We're going to be expanding our inventory. So if you need anything for your fuel system, for your oil system, you know, please definitely check us out, especially since, you know, now I have to sell a lot of fittings to make up this, and, you know, when fittings cost, you know, $5 each, you know, in some instances, I've got to sell a lot of fittings to make enough to pay for this. So thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later. See ya. Peace.